What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today's walkthrough video is going to be on this Sea Ray 21 SPX. You see that side hull color is Sea Ray blue with a white bottom. Now meet me on the inside of the boat and we'll start the walkthrough video. So starting off the back of the boat here, it's equipped with the upgraded 200 horsepower Mercury outboard in white. You can also do it in black, or you could do the base 150 engine. Just in front of that, we have the ski tow pylon. That's for just water skiing, not for wakeboarding. The back of the boat's lined with gray sea deck. Here, forward more, you have a storage compartment, a nice lounger. Maybe two adults and one kid could be sitting on the back here. Now I'm going to lift this up. This gives you access to your bilge, your batteries, another area for storage. It's a garage. Now, a great feature about these Sea Rays as well is there's not a lack of storage. There's actually storage underneath each seat here. Dedicated spot for a cooler underneath the filler right here. Plenty of cup holders throughout the boat, courtesy lights throughout the boat. There's also LED strips underneath the cushions, and you can get those in blue or white. Another storage compartment. This boat's equipped with the upgraded Fusion radio, Fusion speakers. Now, above my head is a bimini top. This is a necessity in the Florida sun. You can also do a sports tower with this model. Moving forward, you have this lounger here. You can lift up this back seat, put it into a different position. You can be facing aft or forward, whichever direction you'd like. At the helm here, your throttle's on the starboard. Some basic switches here, your running lights, accent lights, and courtesy lights. You have your horn, ignition switch, of course your Simrad electronics, cup holder, and you have your Fusion radio. So with all these speakers throughout the boat, for those people who enjoy music, you're really going to enjoy that feature. As well as another smaller storage compartment here. Another cup holder. An update to this model that I really like to change is that you actually get this curved glass here. Moving forward, on the port side, another storage compartment. I have some filler cushions in there right now. You can put bags in there. That'd be a great place to keep your bags drying out of the way. Now, all the way up in the front of the boat, you have room for about 3 people here. You can also get a filler right here, as well as another filler that goes this way and will block the wind. You have 2 more speakers up here, as well as 2 more cup holders, plenty of grab handles, one on either side, one here in the center. And then finally, you have your anchor locker up here. And that's going to conclude our walkthrough video today on Sea Ray 21 SPX.